Before he became one of hip-hop's loudest voices, Busta Rhymes stood on a Brooklyn street corner, raised by Jamaican parents, hearing the echoes of reggae sound systems shaping his destiny. This is One Drop Facts, where we share the stories like we're sitting down together. Ready? Let's roll. Trevor George Smith Jr. was born in 1972 to proud Jamaican immigrants in East Flatbush, Brooklyn. His parents filled the house with discipline, patois, and the sounds of home, reggae, ska, and heavy bass lines of dancehall. Every block party became a classroom. The horns, the speakers, the energy, lessons in rhythm and identity. Meanwhile, outside, hip-hop was being born. DJs looped breaks, MCs toasted on the mic, just like in Kingston. And young Trevor saw no difference between Kool Herc's Bronx jams and the reggae clashes his parents knew. When Busta hit the rap game, some thought his style was too wild, his voice too raga, too Caribbean. But instead of toning it down, he doubled it up, twisting patois into verses, flipping his flow like a dancehall DJ on fire. His dreadlocks, his booming cadence, his frenetic energy, all screamed Caribbean pride, and the world felt it. Tracks like Woo-Ha and Gimme Some More weren't just rap hits. They were explosions of Jamaican rhythm in American pop culture. Decades later, standing on stage at the BET Awards in 2023, tears in his eyes, Busta called for unity and gave thanks to reggae and dancehall legends. In 2025, at the Caribbean Music Awards, he told the world again, "Everything I am comes from Jamaica." Right there in front of millions, he linked his 35-year career back to the culture his parents carried from Kingston to Brooklyn. From collaborations with Sean Paul, Spice, and Vybz Kartel, to headlining festivals across the globe, Busta Rhymes has become a bridge, proof that hip-hop's DNA is written in reggae's bass lines. His impact stretches from Kingston to New York, from the Clash Yard to the Grammy stage. He's not just a rapper with roots. He's living proof that Jamaica didn't just influence hip-hop, it helped invent it. So here's the question. Has Busta Rhymes done more than anyone else to carry Jamaica into hip-hop's spotlight? Or do other names deserve that crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments. One drop, one love. Stay groovy.